The most authentic book in Islam after the glorious Quran, it is Sahih al-Bukhari and Sahih Muslim. But besides this, there are other books of hadith wherein there are other ahadith as well which are authentic besides the ahadith in Sahih al-Bukhari and Sahih Muslim. The other Kutub al-Sitta, Sunan al-Tirmidhi, Sunan Abu Dawud, Sunan ibn Majah, Al-Muwatta by Imam Malik, and various other books wherein the ahadith, there are Sahih ahadith in these books as well. And there is an immense work that is, alhamdulillah, already been done by Shaykh Ziya Rahman Al-Azami. Previously, all the Sahih Hadiths, they were not into one compilation. But Shaykh Ziya Rahman Al-Azami, he has done this immense work, and all the Sahih Hadiths, as per his research, they are into one compilation. And the compilation is called as Al-Jami' Al-Kamil Fil Hadith Al-Sahih Al-Shamil. And this is in 12 volumes. It is in the Arabic language but natural. And soon there will be a Mukhtasar, that is a abridged version, a brief version in 5 volumes. And the translation, alhamdulillah, has been done. There is a little bit checking needs to be done. And inshallah, it will be published soon in the English language as well. This is an immense tool for students of knowledge as well as for du'at if they want to have this book as a reference point.